and welcome to another Telekinesis video. Today we're gonna talk about how to fly. Last night I had a dream. In this dream, somebody was teaching me how I could fly. The interesting part was he didn't teach me the proper way, the way I've learned how to fly. He was teaching me in a way where I think my audience thinks how to fly without having any deeper knowledge about it, if that makes sense. So, in my dream, my personality was more so like being one of the comments, like one of you guys how you've been asking about how to fly. That's kind of how it was. My questions were like, what do I have to think about when I do telekinesis? Like, do I have to say any words, any magic spells to do telekinesis? That's the kind of comments I'm getting. And the answer is always no. You have to clear your mind, you have to meditate, you have to do the breathing, and so on. There is no magic spell you have to say. Okay? But in my dream, that was weird. In my dream, it was like, there was this guy, I know him from my gym, okay? We're not friends, but we know each other. And in my dream, I asked him, okay, how can I fly? And he said, just pray to the gods. Pray to the gods these words. Make me lighter than the air. And in a religious way, okay, that would make sense. But in reality, that's not how it works. In reality, it's not how you can learn how to fly. Okay? In reality, you have to clear your mind. You can't think of anything, not even words. You can't think of anything around. You have to clear your mind. Darkness in your mind, okay? There's nothing going on. And then you do the breathing, 100% in, 50% out. Okay, you have to meditate. You have to focus on the kinesises when you want to fly. On pyrokinesis, aerokinesis, hydrokinesis, aerokinesis, all the telekinesis, of course. All of the kinesises. And when you do all of them at once, then you can fly, okay? There is no magic word. There is no easy way. I wish there was. That way it would be easier to teach you guys. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help you. And have a good day.